These are the ZANU-PF members of parliament who did not vote today on Constitutional Amendment Bill number 3. Nzarapena mashoko buda panguva ino an analysis yema MPs ZANU-PF who did not vote and the reasons why they did not vote. Nzarapena mashoko anobuda panguva ino tiona kuti aiwa panguva ino toona kuti cap 3 yopasa aiwa the 2/3 majority with the lower house. Panguva ino kunyazi kuonekwa kunze hazvina kumira zvakanaka. Panguva ino kunozozikamwa implications ecap 3 kuti ikangopaswa into law chete vakomana aiwa kudyi rinopisa. Remember subscribe or like on the bell icon. Uko uchikona kudanyira chiti. The names of those who did not vote are Angeline Gata, Jennifer Muswere, Mariel Chombo, Sheila Chikomo, Tatenda Mavetera, Joe Stole. Reported to be on official ministerial duties are Rajesh Kumar Modi, Barbara Rodzi, Tongai Mnangagwa, Ngumuzi 40. Appointed MPs such as General Anselm Namosanyadre and Ziyambi did not vote because, under Zimbabwe Constitution and parliamentary procedures, non-constituents appointed MPs are not permitted to vote on constitutional amendment bills. Their role allows them to participate in parliamentary proceedings, but they are excluded from voting on constitutional amendments. Doma developments are repopangwa in so in the pictures of those who did not vote and those who were reported to be on official ministerial duties. And also tiona waita sana ziyambira nasanya tuanoonekwa kunzi these MPs they did not vote because tiona kuti havana ma-constituents they represent. They are non-constituents appointed MPs. Doma developments are kuda panguva ino. Pena comment section melu wadzava fungira aimotodi pamusoro pe this cap 3. What do you think? What's your take? Pena comment section melu subscribe or like, punch it on the bell icon.